Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with Radharani's favorite recipe. For this year, we have begun with our wonderful preparations for Radhashtami. Adding one more to the list, let's prepare an amazing Arbi Tuk. We are well aware that Arbi or Colocasia is Srimati Radharani's favorite vegetable. Arbi Tuk is a crispy snack prepared from Colocasia with sprinkle of spices. Till now, we have prepared many recipes using arbi, but this is a perfect snacks dish to offer our ladli. So let's begin. So first take Radharani's favorite vegetable arbi or colocasia 1 kg and wash them well. After washing, transfer them into a cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of water. Cover the lid and cook it for only one whistle on low flame. It has been 25 minutes and the cooker has cooled. Let's check. The arbi have boiled well. Take them out in a plate. Cool them for 20 minutes. It has been 20 to 25 minutes and the arbi has cooled. Now remove all the skin. We have shared many Radharani's favorite recipes and you can find all in Radharani's favorite recipes playlist. Its link is in the description box below. So these are ready. Let's fry them. If the arbi are big, cut them into 2 pieces. I have heated oil here. Now add the colocasia. Do not touch them immediately. After 2 minutes, fry them on medium to high flame. We have to fry them until they turn light brown in color. It has been 6 to 7 minutes and you can see the arbi have fried well. Take them out in a plate and similarly fry all the colocasia. Let's prepare the Arbi Tuk Masala. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander powder in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, salt as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of dry mango powder or amchoor powder. Combine all this well. With this, our wonderful Arbi Tuk Masala is ready. Keep it aside. Cool the fried arbi for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, take one bowl. Press the colocasia like this. Do not press too much. Press them lightly. And similarly press all the arbi. After pressing with bowl, press them in between your hands very lightly. So these are ready. Let's fry them again for crispiness. Now add pressed arbi and fry them on high flame. Fry them until they turn golden in color and crispy. It has been 3 to 4 minutes and you can see the arbi tuk have fried so well. Take them out in a plate. After taking in plate, sprinkle some Arbi Tuk Masala that we have prepared. So Arbi Tuk are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to our Radha and Krishna. Srimati Radharani is the symbol of internal energy. Srila Prabhupada's lecture on Bhagavad Gita 4.11 Vrindavan. If you like Prasad recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.